Hello everyone. Today is a very interesting topic, counterattack and defense. And today I choose pin and unpin. How can we unpin with counterattack? Okay, let us take all these interesting examples. Okay, I will turn the screen. I think most of you know this game, so please take a pause and calculate how can you unpin for the white. Just think a little bit about this position. So your queen is pinned now. Can you find a good way to unpin? And I hope you all, if you don't know this position, so congratulations for you. You can enjoy a lot, and yes, now you can come to know. Knight e5, sacrifice the queen to unpin, but after bishop d1, bishop f7, king e7, and knight d5 checkmate. That's how white could unpin by sacrificing their queen. Okay, take another example. Pin, unpin. Oh, sorry. Again, move by move. And now white pinned the queen, and now they, as usually if you pin the piece you need to put more pressure. Yes, bring one more piece to attack, and now white just simply can take knight d5. It seems quite logical they are using pin, and but what can do black now? Can they unpin? So take a pause, calculate variations. And I hope you all could find here black also can sacrifice their queen. Bishop b4 check and get queen back, but now black has one piece. Black won one piece. Okay, another idea, pin and pin is deeper. Yeah. Okay. White develop their pieces, black also. White develop another bishop, castle as soon as possible, d6, and bishop g5. Here is another idea to unpin for the black. If they didn't make castle yet, they can unpin h6 and g5, and that's what they will do. So for the white here is better wait till black castle. An example, knight c3, and after castle, knight c3, after castle pin. That's common, not only for this opening, so we develop bishop on g5 only after castle. Otherwise, if we develop bishop on g5 before castle, they can play h6, g5. That's what happened in this game. Let's have a look. Bishop g5, h6, bishop h4, g5, because black did not castle yet. They can move their pawns and maybe prepare one castle. Let us see more. Bishop g3, h5, black sacrifice pawn on g5, knight g5, h4, black sacrifice pawn on f7, knight f7, fork attack the queen, and attack the rook. It seems white will win now, but and again black sacrifice queen. Wow, that seems only way to unpin is sacrifice queen. Knight d8, bishop d4, queen d2, knight d4 with multiple threat like knight e2 and knight f3. White can protect e2 square with knight c3 or rook e1, doesn't matter, but here is one more attack with knight f3, gf, bishop f3, and here is unavoidable checkmate. Black threat gh, the white king pinned, so they can attack fg, and if white take hg, rook h1 checkmate. You can analyze this game by yourself if you want. That's classic game. And one more pin unpin, one more game, interesting game. I just saw it today. Also, that's why this topic arises. Again, pin unpin. Alohin defense. Knight d5 attack the knight. At knight b6 attack the bishop. Knight c6 develop knight. Knight f3 develop knight e5. Can block want to control the center. d3 develop bishop and protect the center. Protect square e4 more. Bishop g4. So, oh sorry again. It moves by itself because again misclick. So again, what is the idea to unpin for the white here? As we remember, if we not castle, we can play h3 g4, but and we also have idea, as we saw all the examples today, to sacrifice our queen. So how do you think, what is the best way for the white to play? You can calculate variations, and after that we continue. And white decided to sacrifice the queen instead of g4. Now with knight e5, queen h5, so black must take the queen. Also bishop f7, king e7 forced, bishop g5, king d6, and now white can take queen back, but they decided to sacrifice knight more. Knight e4, king e5, and again white can take queen back, but they decided to attack the king f4, king d4. Again white decided, instead of taking queen back, take rook d1 with idea c3 checkmate, with idea to attack the king. Yeah, yes, c3 is not yet checkmate. And if white don't take the queen, black decided to sacrifice queen themselves, queen d5. But again, white don't take the queen. They decided the checkmate is better than take the queen. Oh, sorry, and incredible move for white. They don't take queen again. They just play. Sorry, you already saw it, but I wanted to ask you how to play for white here. Okay, they played castle. And in this position, here is threat rook e1 checkmate, f e1 checkmate. Oh no, rook e1 checkmate. If rook e1, king f4. There is threat rook f3 and rook d2, rook f1 checkmate. But if queen f4, rook e1 checkmate, because queen will block square f4. Black decided to move queen to h4, but rook f3, king e2, rook d2, king e1, rook f1, checkmate. So that is one of the way to unpin. That's not always to unpin, but that is very powerful ideas. Counterattack in defense, and I will record more videos about this topic, like how can we use combinations in defense. It's very important topic. So thank you for watching this video, subscribe on my channel and be happy. Bye bye.